For single visit indirect restorations, 3 is your winning combination. Achieve unprecedented efficiency with simplified shade selection and up to 44% faster total processing time. Achieve beautiful natural results for any restoration location. Deliver results that last with strength that far exceeds any ordinary glass ceramic. For all your indirect restorations, you need speed, strength, and aesthetics. And only one material offers leading performance for all 3. CEREC Tessera CAD/CAM blocks. The latest available technology is now your winning combination, your trifecta for single visit success. Contact your Dentsply Sirona sales representative or visit DensplySirona.com.